The Tineco Vacuum Accessories Set A20 is designed to enhance the cleaning capabilities of various Tineco cordless stick vacuum models, offering versatility and efficiency. Featuring a unique multi-angle folding tube, this set allows you to clean from high to low places with remarkable flexibility, making it easier to tackle different surfaces. The soft dusting brush included in the set is perfect for gentle cleaning tasks, as its angled bristles provide anti-static contact suitable for delicate surfaces and electronics. With a flexible long crevice tool, this accessory set enables you to reach and clean tight spots, such as beneath furniture or alongside the refrigerator. The flexible extension hose provides excellent reach and flexibility, making it ideal for accessing hard-to-reach spaces, especially useful for in-car cleaning. Compatible with a wide range of Tineco vacuum models, this accessory set offers an effective solution for enhancing the performance of your cleaning equipment.